Hello, welcome to 501 week number 6. So this week is really straightforward. You do not have a big assignment due this week, just the discussion board. You're going to be looking at in the discussion board Glide. So Glide is a no-code platform where you take a Google Sheet and it creates an app for you. And you're just going to think of a couple things. And in week 7, you're going to actually do something with it for that discussion board. So a few ideas to kind of get you started. You can think about it in terms of inventory of logging things. So you can set up kind of a couple sample things in Google Sheets and actually use it to add stuff. You can add audio files if that's how you want to go. So if you're tracking students reading, you can use it as a simple app to track reading progress, notes, anecdotal notes as you go along, next step goals, something to kind of prepare for conferences or just, kind of in general formative assessment. It could be an FAQ thing for parents with either links to things or just literally just FAQ, question answer type of thing people can filter. You could do a version of HyperDoc, student choice board. Really anything that has kind of a spreadsheet or sort of database that you could pull in and go. If you have a classroom library or something kids can check out, I'm betting it could do a version of that, being able to check out books from your class library. I'm wondering now if I could do something with iPad loaners and use this for a system for that. So this week is really it's a big pivot away from Google Certified Educator Level 1 into let's actually make some stuff in weeks 6, 7, and 8. There's a lot of links on how to get up to speed with Glide. People thinking about Glide. It's new enough that I actually wanted to make sure it was still around. You can for sure do full versions of this with Xcode, which is what I'm doing to make legit apps. This is a much quicker version of this. I'm actually going to try this with a group of teachers at my school. We're doing a year-long cohort of looking at AI and EDU, not too different from what you're actually doing here. And so we're going to be doing our own version. I think you're going to beat them to it. So I don't have ideas for what they could share, but I gave you kind of 4 ideas just now. And that is all. And then hop over to week 7 and you'll start making and sharing your Glide apps.